just take your ordinary, boring objects and have them on display just by replacing them with beautiful home decor. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Catherine, and on this channel I share easy DIYs, home decor projects, and every now and then I love to share encouraging messages through a creative form, and I am so grateful that you're here. Today's video I'm going to be sharing a huge spring haul. I wanted to do a decorate with me for spring, but I've been sick for the past 2 weeks and I didn't realize how quickly Easter is approaching. So instead, I'm going to show you all of the kitchenware that I picked up the past couple of months. How you know you're adulting when everything you ask for or you go out and buy is home decor or things for your kitchen. And I didn't realize that I collected so much stuff. And it just so happened to correlate with spring. So I wanted to share it with you guys today. And I'm going to show you how I decorate with this. So it's going to be like a 2-in-1 combo type of video. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not done so already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And we're going to jump right into this video. So the first that I got the majority of my items from are Target. First item I want to show you guys is the ceramic pink bowl. Y'all, I love this thing so much. I saw this in the store and I wanted it so bad. It was the last one. And when I saw it, it actually was really badly messed up, a lot of scratches and scuffs on it. And so I brought it home and I just took a magic eraser and cleaned everything up. And I ended up putting some oranges in here and had it on display in our kitchen. It's really pretty, very unique, and I just love the color. And because we live in an apartment, backsplash is that typical gray born backsplash. So in order for it to be a little bit more vibrant, I like to add pretty bowls like this to our kitchen. And this one isn't online anymore, but check your store because this type of material can get scuffed really easily. A lot of people aren't quick to purchase it. I did link other ones like this down below. They are pretty pricey, so I also linked a DIY video. Drew from Lone Fox actually did a DIY on how to make this. I linked this video down below if this is out of your price range and you'd rather make it yourself. But also check your local Target. This one is more of a actual Easter spring item, and it is this beautiful egg candle. I love the design on it. It was the first thing that attracted me to it. It's like a 2D design. It has a bunny rabbit on here and some florals. And then obviously it's an egg shape. I've never seen a candle like this before, and I just thought it was really unique. And then when you opened it, of course it's a candle, and I've used a lot of it so far. It's a soy candle, and it's a lemon flower and sandalwood scent. It smells amazing, a fresh scent. It comes in 2 other colors, and they all have a different scent. And once you're done with the wax in here, you can definitely make it into a jewelry holder. Next item was a waffle maker. I've been collecting waffle makers. I think I've started my own mini collection. I couldn't choose between the bunny one or the floral one, and I asked you guys on Instagram to help me choose. The majority of y'all said the floral one. I ended up getting this one and did not regret it. And I love making waffles with it. It's just something about making waffles that are in different shapes. It just makes eating them even more enjoyable. And it's not only just for springtime, but this is something that you can make all throughout the season, even in the summertime. And it just looks beautiful. It's so fun. And I got all of my waffle makers from Target, and they always have them for every single season. One of the things I love about the waffle makers is that they cook very quickly, like under 1 minute or less. So another item that I picked up from Target is this seagrass basket. I actually have a couple of ideas for this. One, I want to use it as a purse. I just think it's so cute and dainty if you're going on vacation or to the beach or something, or if you had a picnic, you can just like put stuff inside of here. And it's a great material, very durable, and it's like so cute and little. Or I thought about putting it on our door on the outside of our balcony and put some fresh flowers inside of here, and it can be like your spring decorative door piece. If you don't have an outdoor area or you're concerned about it flying away or getting messed up from the weather or whatever, you can also just take a command hook and put it on your pantry door and put some faux flowers inside of it, and then you have a decorative spring door piece indoors. So I'm in the middle of editing this video that y'all are watching right now, and I completely forgot to show you one of the items that I bought specifically for spring, and they are these kitchen floral plates. I absolutely love them. I love the floral design on it, and they have all the colors that's already incorporated into our home, and for the price they were only $3. My next item is this rug. It's so funny because I also ask you guys on Instagram, so if you're not following me over there, definitely go and follow me, because I'm always asking you guys of your opinion of something, because I am so indecisive when I go out shopping. I ask you guys which one of the rugs I should get, and y'all also said I should go with the other one. But when I was at the store, the lady was telling me that if you have dogs, that the other rug, her dog nails get caught into it because of the material. So I went with this one. I love the spring pastel colors in the rug. It's a jute rug, and it's a kitchen rug, which means that it's more durable. I also did a little trick, and I'm just gonna show you in a video here. We currently have a mat that has memory foam in it, and when we're washing dishes, we stand on this mat, which is very comfortable for standing up for long periods of time. We didn't want to get rid of that mat, but it also isn't the prettiest thing out there. So I just took this rug and placed it over the mat, and you can't even tell that there's a mat under it. You can still have a pretty rug display and be comfortable at the same time. Y'all, you gotta know how to make things work in your home. And the last item from Target, just not as interesting, but I think it's just as important, are these Waffle towels. I've also been looking for kitchen towels that are durable and beautiful. I get a lot of towels that are beautiful, but the second they get stained, you have to pretty much throw them away. So these are much thicker. They're a waffle material. Get 2 of them, and they elevate your space just from having this type of texture. And I love that I put it in our kitchen. It gives it that pop of color. So another store that I love to pick up my home decor, especially spring decor, is Home Goods. And I picked up these 3 canisters, and I was really excited about it because I've been looking for matching canisters for a very long time. Some that are just cute, but also simple. Aren't they just the cutest? They're so simple, but I love the wooden top on each one of them, and then they have this leather core. And there's actually another size between these 2. There's a battle between coffee and tea in this house. I'm a tea lover, my husband is a coffee lover, and we cannot share the same canister because I have so much tea and he has so much coffee. And these aren't just like spring decorative items, but they're more organizational, and you can just keep them out on your kitchen counter for days to come. And I don't have the prices underneath them because my husband gets on me about leaving stickers on products. I'm really excited about this next one. Another store that I've been like dabbling to is Anthropology. They are more of a pricier store, so I get a lot of my stuff on sale, or I have a budget when I go in there. A couple of items that I want to show you are all mint because I wanted them to be on display. So the first item that I want to show you that I picked up from Anthropology, y'all hold on to y'all seats, is this honey dipper. It is a bare honey dipper with florals all over it. And then you just take the head off and the honey goes inside of here. And then you just take the little dipper, dip it in there, and pour the honey into your drink. And then when you're done, you can put it on display. The next item that I have is a wine rack. And y'all, this is the most gorgeous wine rack ever. Anthropology a while back had a sale on most of their decor. And because this was a while ago, it's no longer in stock. But Anthropology came out with the exact same one, but it's small. And I linked it down below along with other alternatives. It's just a prime example with the honey dipper and with your wine rack. You can just take your ordinary, boring objects and have them on display just by replacing them with beautiful home decor. The next item is this cute berry basket or colander. We don't eat berries, but I do eat grapes, and I just love to have them in here. I just have them in the refrigerator, and then when I'm ready to eat them, I rinse them off, and I like that they have holes in them so that the water can drain, and then I just take it to the table and eat from it. It's pink inside. It actually matches, I didn't even realize it, the honey dipper. So another item that I also have on display for the springtime is this pot holder. I've noticed there's like this floral thing going on because I absolutely just love flowers and plants. Then there's pockets on the side for you to put your hands in if you need to grab something out the oven. I drink a lot of tea, so our teapot actually sits on here after I take it off the stove. Moving on with the theme of florals is this apron. Look how cute it is. And then it has pockets, pink is floral, it's fun. I'm happy that I'm able to tie it around my neck and adjust it as needed. I am that person. When I bake stuff, I wipe it on myself and I don't think twice about it until I realize I have a lot of powder on my outfit. It's a one size fits all and it's perfect for spring. So another place that I like to buy my home decor from is Amazon. It is these geometric vases. They are so modern, very cute, simple. They come in different colors and different sizes. I actually got the same exact size, so they come in packs. And they're just really pretty to display. I displayed one of them in our bookshelf and then have the other one in our windowsill in my office. But I just really love how they look. And I put these dried florals inside. I put these baby breath. Once they get more brown and they darken, they look even better. Just look how simple and dainty this looks. And moving right along to the last item, these two items are from Michael's Craft Store. And the first one is this beautiful vase. So I got it for 40% off. It reminds me of something from Hercules. I put this in our kitchen. I just propped it up in my little tea area. And then to go along with this vase, I picked up these little pom-pom yellow flowers. These are originally $7.99, but again, I used my coupon. Paired it with this vase. Love the mustard color. Go with the mustard waffle towels that I also have. And just to have that pop-up mustard throughout a very dull kitchen. This is how I bring color and life into our home, specifically our kitchen, is by adding beautiful pops of color. So that was all the spring home decor that I had to share with you guys today. I hope you love these items. Again, I linked everything down below and alternatives to the ones that were sold out. But I'm so happy about spring, and I'm sorry again guys I couldn't do a decorate with me, but I hope showing you guys how I style them in my home gave you ideas as well. Let you know that you don't have to like knock out walls or anything to make your house beautiful. You just put things on display that you love, that bring in color and that tells a story. And as always, y'all, thank you for being here, and I will talk to y'all later.